Hi, welcome back to Food Travel Shopping Channel, and you're watching another episode of the Staub unboxing here. Today I am actually opening an open box item here, so it's a little bit different. And today I am just filming by myself, so the viewpoint is going to be slightly different. If you have not seen my other unstaubed boxing of Staub, I will link some of those videos above, as well as check them out in the description box below. So let's check out this particular piece. Yes, I am adding a brand new color to my collection, and this is called a burnt orange. And I also have a special knob here to review with you as well here. So let's come and check out this particular open piece item that I was able to purchase in a relatively very reasonable price. So let me go ahead and share with you the condition and how this piece was purchased. All right, so let's take a look at the close-up here. So this is the color. I was going to unbox it last week and I totally forgot. Time just flew by. And what a nice color for the Halloween, to be honest. But I think it's still good for the American Thanksgiving. This is a great color. It's called a burnt orange. If you like a brighter color here, so this is definitely something that you might consider. Now I got a special knob. The knob is a rabbit. So this did not came with the original piece. The original piece actually came with the rooster. All right, so let me share with you the size here, and I'm gonna go ahead and put the lid here. Well, here's the lid. The lid is 29 centimeter, 11 3/8 inches. So I just want to show you the condition a little bit here because this is an open box item. You can see the lid here. There's some, it's not imperfection, all right? It's just that probably these piece was on display and the lid was just kind of, you know, worn out with the wear and tear of people opening it and then just putting it on the shelf, you know, and then from all the scratches that makes. But it really doesn't harm the actual cocotte, okay? So yeah, visually doesn't look appealing, okay? But you don't have to worry about would it actually, you know, is it damaged to a point where it's gonna get rusted or anything? I'm pretty sure it won't, okay? So if it does, not to worry, we can definitely still send it back to Staub and they will actually take care of it because these are, you know, guaranteed in this case. So, but definitely want to show you the inside here. So the 29 centimeter is actually a 4.25 quarts. So this is an oval. And again, similar situation here as well. If you look at the very top of the cocotte here, okay, so during the rim of the cocotte, you can see some kind of either the coating came off or something like that, or just from the wear and tear. Again, these are open items that I found. And the store told me that these pieces are actually items that were distributed to the official retailers, and these are display items. And you can see there's a little, you know, kind of imperfection here as well. But actually this one is no problem. It looks like a chip, but it's actually, when they paint it, they missed this spot. And it's actually coated with a gloss over it, so this is not an issue at all, okay? But if you are gonna go for something like this, if it's an open item and previously was on display at the local retail store, you know, there are chances where you're gonna see scratch mark on the bottom. But this one is, there's no scratch mark. That's why I picked this piece. All right, no scratch mark at all. But I gotta tell you, these original price is like close to $400. And I bought it only fractions of the price. So this was $120. So it's really a good deal if you don't care too much of minor cosmetic things like this. It really does not affect the actual performance of the cocottes. And if you're just using it, you know, for yourself, I think this is a great price point to go into Staub. All right, so here's the interior. I just really like the orange. This is, like I said, a brand new color that I'm adding into my collection. For those who follow me, you know that I have a lot of gray already. I have a lot of red. I have a lot of the blue one already. And, you know, I didn't add too many colors. But yeah, this is a brand new collection. Well, to my collection, I should say. This color was, you know, part of their original collection color, so you can definitely get it. But this size, I don't think you would actually get it on the website anymore. This size is a 4.25 quarts, so slightly under the one that I have for the truffle color, which is a 31 centimeter, and that one is about 5.25 quarts, I think. But yeah, it's absolutely gorgeous. Look at the color. All right, so hopefully the color is picking up. If you're considering another color, well, here's another color options for you. I purchased this at their the actual distribution. So in North America, they have Swilling have a office at New York. And I purchased it over there, and sometimes you can really find these good deals over there because that particular shop is the only location where they take these cocotte from, you know, that was, you know, displayed on Williams Sonoma. They will actually get those items back and they actually sell it over there. And then sometimes they do refurbish them a little bit before they actually put it on the rack. And these are discount item, and these are just one and only. So I caught this, you know, this really caught my attention, not only because of the color, but because of the condition that it was in. No chip at all, okay? So if I zoom in here, you might be able to see some minor, really minor scratch marks. Very minor, okay? But this is one of the rare pieces where it's already less scratches. For some reason, those open box item and those pieces that was on display, I just can't believe the condition they're in. Like, it's brutal, okay? I just don't understand how you actually have so many scratch marks. But here, like, this is only minor. Like I said, this piece is a rare kind. Okay, but some of the pieces have like a lot of scratch mark all over the rim of the top of the lid of the cocotte. So very strange. But this one, like I said, is absolutely beautiful condition. And in terms of, you know, a color that I never had really thought about. And because of the price point, I just can't say no. And I said, let me just give it a try. And I know my, you know, friends on YouTube here who watches these videos would appreciate me bringing in a different color. So if you really like that, so go ahead and click the like button below and let me know, show me your appreciation and that this color is absolutely stunning. Also, feel free to comment below if you have any other questions for me. And I will catch you in my next video. So thanks for watching another Staub unboxing.